Turmeric can help fade your dark spots, but if it is staining your skin, then you are using it wrong. Let me explain. So that you will be able to get the benefits that comes out of it. Look, and most people actually abuse turmeric. Like they make use of it in a kind of unrealistic manner, and they don't know that this practice will actually hurt their skin. Reason is because you don't mix turmeric with just water and apply it on your skin and expect to get the results that you want. Maybe you want to target dark spots. Instead, it will be hot on your skin, irritate your skin, and break your skin barrier. But here is how you can make use of it in the right way. By mixing with other ingredients like aloe vera gel, honey, milk, yogurt. And if you are making use of turmeric, make use of it in a tiny quantity, like a pinch, not much turmeric. Like, don't make use of much turmeric. If you are making use of it in a mixture, make sure that the other mixture you are using is more than the turmeric. If your turmeric is too bright, too yellow, then you are using it wrong. If I'm making use of turmeric for dark spots, I leave it on for like 40 to 50 minutes, for as long as I can, because I know that I'm making use of it in a safe way. I mix it with other ingredients that won't irritate my skin, and I use it while doing my chores or I have something important to do around the house. So if in your case, maybe you're still new to turmeric or you just want to start using it, just leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes and rinse off. And remember to apply your moisturizer afterward, and then your sunscreen if you're going out in the morning. But I always recommend making use of natural remedy at night, because it works best and there is no sun sensitivity at night. Then in the morning when you are stepping out, you can make use of your sunscreen. I say this, don't ever make use of any natural ingredients if you do not have a sunscreen in your routine. Natural doesn't mean that it cannot irritate your skin. Natural doesn't mean that it cannot cause sunburn, and you don't want to be wasting your efforts and adding more problem to your problem. So it's better to make use of sunscreen. If you find this tip helpful, follow for more video like this.